No sound on the radio?
707.
I got reports of out here at 2351 Runacross Center Parkway. Black male with a gray hoodie on and black pants checking the car doors out here.
For receipt.
I think I got a visual on him. He's walking over toward this ramp now. You know what? I think this is gonna be the guy that they had up there at Avis last night. I think it's the same individual. If you got another unit, start him this way. Hey man, come here. What you doing? Huh? Alright, stand right. So what's your name?
Jaquavious.
Who?
Jaquavious.
Jaquavious?
Yes, sir. I was saying what wasn't any more written cars. I had to ask a question.
You doing what now?
No, I just had to ask somebody a question. I was actually coming from there.
Hey, you got an ID on you?
No, sir.
You got an ID on you?
No, sir, I don't.
What was your ID?
It's in the car right now.
What car?
I was just walking up at my ass.
Hold on. We got somebody to talk to you. Just hold, stand right there. Who this dude here?
That's me.
That's you?
Yes.
Like I said, we got to figure out what's going on. They had a report of you on the property yesterday.
Something the plane was going over. Can you repeat that?
Automobiles, and we got video footage of it, and still.
Copy that.